Hello. If for any reason your computer is running pretty slow, one thing you can do to make it fast or to eliminate lag or lagging performance is to probably go for a computer with SSD or replace your mechanical drive with a solid state drive. But today I'm looking at doubling the memory, the RAM in the computer. You see this computer is running with 4 gig RAM DDR3. You can also see that here the properties of the computer. Now this is a physical memory. It's either you get additional hardware in terms of the RAM. It's either you get the physical RAM and double it, or you can increase the virtual memory. Now what the virtual memory does is to use some part of the hard drive as memory. You can see right here that this computer has 500 gig mechanical drive, 500 gig hard drive installed in it. Now by virtual memory, it will use some part of this hard drive as RAM without spending any money. And this is how you can do that. Now in the properties of, right here in the properties of the computer, so you can do that, increase the virtual memory by going to Advanced. In the system properties that opens up, look at in performance, go to performance, and then in performance, advanced, click on change where you have virtual memory. I'll deselect this, and now when I deselect this, I'll go for custom. Next, I'll look for calculator. I want to calculate the value. Okay, I have a calculator. Installed RAM is 4. I'll multiply that by 1024. 1024 equal to, okay, that gives me 1496. I multiply that by 1.5, which is the value for swap partition, and that gives me 6144. Now this is the value to be entered here. So you have 6144, 6144. Okay, then click on set. Now that has been set. Click on OK. I'll click on OK. Settings, advanced. Okay, now you can see the value is still there. But in some instances, your system or your computer may prompt you for a restart. You can go ahead and restart. So, thank you.